Uh-oh, here comes a giant cat. Oh, all right. Threat averted. So what do you think of your new rainbow track with vehicles on it? Do you like it, Atreyu? I would say yes. Hey, Atreyu, who gave you that track?
I don't know.
You don't remember already? Was that your grandma and grandpa? Atreyu, that was from your grandma and grandpa. Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma.
Wow. Those things sure can go over a lot of stuff. You're facing the other way.
I know you have it. Come on, you'll be out. 1, 2, piano.
Oh no! Oh no! Help him! Help him! Yeah, you should set them up going the other way though, so see how long they can keep going by themselves without falling off the track. Have you ever tried that?
He's 5, hon.
It's
Things working properly aren't nearly as interesting as things working improperly.
That's pretty awesome.
You want to pick up the